So for this training, we're going to do something similar to the general warm-up, just with fewer repetitions. So arm circles, big circles, full range of motion, and reverse. Get those joints in their full range of motion. Elbows, and we're jogging while we do this, and reverse. And then we're going to do some chest crosses. Remember to open the arms as far as you can. Open wide. Stretch out the chest a little bit. Use the back muscles up and down. Same concept. Go as high as you can and low as you can with the opposite arms. Feeling the stretches. And then we go into some hip circles. That's it. Full range of motion as wide as you can. And reverse. And after we do all these joint circles, we're going to get into the actual warm-up part for the high intensity part. And then knees. Remember, feet together, knees going forward and then out. Keeping the feet flat on the ground. And then reverse. And then wrists and ankles. Remember, full range of motion. Hit those corners. And then switch sides. Remember, we're doing both directions. Alright. So now we need to prepare the muscles for a high intensity routine. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a burpee squat push-up complex, an ascending ladder, and this will help prepare all the muscles necessary for pretty much any high intensity workout. So what it is 1 burpee, 1 push-up, 1 squat. 2 burpees, 2 push-ups, 2 squats. But what you want to do when you have multiple burpees is on the last burpee you'll stay down and you'll knock out those set of push-ups. So for instance, we're here on 3. So we've done 2 burpees. Now this third burpee we're going to stop. We're going to knock out 3 push-ups. And then we're going to finish that burpee. And now we're going to do our 3 squats. And then now we have 4. So up to 4 is a good point, but if you're cold or you're outside in cold weather or you feel like you need more warm-up, you can go higher on the ladder, all the way up to 8 if you like. Anything higher than that and you're pretty much getting into a workout. And this will definitely prepare you for any high intensity workout that you have planned, even plyometrics. Shake it out, focus on that full range of motion. We're going to do some jumping jacks because we also want to get the heart rate up a little higher, because once we get into that high intensity our heart rate is going to jump, so we want to prepare the body. Alright, so let's do it. Here's a few reminders.